Alright, we started looking at new scale shapes in the key of C or A minor. Key of C and key of A minor are relative to each other. Every major key has a relative minor. Every minor key has a relative major. So, first scale shape we did, we also talked about posture when you're sitting. So, basically I like to keep the guitar angled up like this when you're sitting down. Have this part of the guitar sitting on your left leg, and prop your left leg up on something if you need to, so this way you keep it at a nice angle. The other thing was, we talked about the thumb placement, so hopefully that shows okay there. So basically, aim for your thumb to be like right behind your middle finger, or almost in between your middle and your third finger. So that, and try not to have it on its side either. It's almost straight on, but a little bit of an angle is okay. So, C major scale, or C Ionian mode, going up the scale, first, third, fourth, first, third, fourth, and then we go first, second, fourth. I'm talking about the fingers, of course, and then first, second, fourth again, then first, third, fourth, first, third, fourth, same fingers back down, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, spread the hand out, and 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. So D Dorian is next, and so basically anytime that you have a whole step followed by another whole step, you use your first, third, and fourth. If you have a whole step followed by a half step, use your first, third, and fourth again. If you have a half step followed by a whole step, use your first, second, and fourth. So I'll do the C scale again. I'll say what frets are being played this time. So we got 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13, and back down, 13, 12, 10, 13, 12, 10, 12, 10, 9, 12, 10, 9, 12, 10, 8, 12, 10, 8. So D Dorian is next. We have 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, 12, 13, 15, 12, 13, 15, and back down, 15, 13, 12, 15, 13, 12, 14, 12, 10, 14, 12, 10, 14, 12, 10, 13, 12, 10. So just remember to always use the same fingers going up and back down. And then next we'll do the higher octave of E Phrygian. So we have 12, 13, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 16, 13, 15, 17, 13, 15, 17, 17, 15, 13, 17, 15, 13, 16, 14, 12, 15, 14, 12, 15, 14, 12, 15, 13, 12. Now the same mode or scale shape with the open strings. We have 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And back down we have 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 1, 0. Okay. So those are the 3 scales to have memorized for next week. And then we'll do some more. So with these legato riffs that I wrote out for you, the goal is to make them as smooth sounding as possible. So I'll play it somewhat slow here so you can hear how it sounds, and I'm going to aim for something like this. Next one. Do some 3-note chords to help work on keeping your fingers on the tips. So it's very important to do to make playing stuff like this a lot easier. So I'll say the chord name as I go through one after the next. Each bar done 4 times. So here we go. C, D minor, E minor, F, major, or just C. B diminished. Use your pinky, ring, and first finger. So I'll do this again. B diminished. 2, 3, 4. A minor. Watch that thumb placement. And G. And that's what we covered. So we'll definitely be able to do more next week, I believe, once the guitar is either fixed or you have a different one. So it'll sound a lot nicer once you get up to that high E string, and that will definitely help your playing too. So if you have any questions before next week, you can email them to me or give me a call. But I will plan on seeing you at the new location next class.